Malnutrition is a global concern affecting many in some life stage or the other. This nutrition epidemic targets many, but the most vulnerable are the poverty-stricken individuals, infants, young children, adolescents, pregnant and lactating mothers, along with older people or ones with compromised immune system. Leader in the nutrition space, Amway India, through its CSR program, is working with the marginalized communities to fight malnutrition, aligning to the government's vision for a malnutrition-free India.
The burden of malnutrition is a long-standing challenge, especially among the children below 5 years, contributing more than 50% to child deaths in India. As we all know, the first 5 years from birth are the most crucial years for child's development. If all children are able to reach this milestone of 5 years with good health, they are more likely to have a healthy future. Therefore, better nutritional foundation means better days ahead. And leveraging on our deep-rooted experience in nutrition and wellness, and well in alignment with Government of India's National Nutrition Mission, we embarked on this journey to fight the childhood malnutrition with our globally acclaimed program, Power of 5. Our program aims to raise awareness on the issue of child malnutrition through comprehensive nutrition education and intervention, bringing in the much needed behavioral shift among mothers and communities at large. Children are future of our nation and citizens of tomorrow, and it is everyone's responsibility to nurture them to develop their full potential. Come, let's together fight malnutrition and build a better future for India.
The Power of 5 program by Amway India in association with SRF Foundation is a community-based program initiated in New Block, Mewat, Haryana in November 2020 in alignment with Poshan Abhiyan. With the objective to fight against childhood malnutrition, the program aims to identify and manage the malnourished children by targeting the mothers and caregivers of children under the age of 5 years and improving their nutritional knowledge and practices. This ongoing 2-year project is expected to benefit more than 50,000 people, including 15,000 children. Being one of the most challenging areas to work in, Mewat's nutritional status is below state average.
The Power of 5 program focuses spreading awareness on nutrition and its importance amongst mothers and caregivers in order to address malnutrition. Through various campaigns, the program is striving to uplift not only the children but also the community so that it can have long-lasting effect. The program covers 22 villages in New Block of the Mewat district and 15,000 children, 36,000 adults. I would like to state that through Power of 5 program, to encourage individuals and the families to shift their food habits in order to lead healthier lifestyle and prevent malnutrition.
With the focus on prevention of malnutrition and early identification of malnourished children, a baseline survey was conducted. A large number of children were identified as malnourished. To fight malnutrition in the 22 villages of New Block, SRF Foundation has employed grassroots level workers or Poshan Mitras from these villages for nutritional intervention. Poshan Mitras are champions of the program and are vital in creating awareness in the community.
मेरा नाम सुमनलता है। मैं गांव शाहपुर नंगली की रहने वाली हूं और SRF फाउंडेशन में मैं अपने गांव में पोषण मित्रा के रूप में काम कर रही हूं। SRF फाउंडेशन और एमवे इंडिया की तरफ से जो पावर 5 कार्यक्रम चलाया जा रहा है वो हमारे गांव के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा है, सराहनीय है, जिसमें हम अपने गांव में घरों में जाकर के महिलाओं और बच्चों को जागरूक करते हैं। बहुत सारे विषयों पर हम उन्हें जानकारी देते हैं, जैसे साफ सफाई, पोषण, वॉश, बच्चों में स्वास्थ्य, बच्चों में कुपोषण, टीकाकरण, गर्भवती महिलाओं को क्या खाना चाहिए, कितना खाना चाहिए, सारी बातों पर हम जानकारी देते हैं और पोषण बगीचा के बारे में हम जानकारी देते हैं, जिससे लोगों पर बहुत बदलाव हो रहा है। और हमारे गांव में बहुत फ़र्क पड़ रहा है। तो इसलिए मैं SRA फाउंडेशन और MWay इंडिया को तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करती हूँ।
Poshan Mitras gather small groups of mothers from the village and speak to them about eating healthy and wash practices. The focus is on eating a balanced diet, and awareness is created by explaining the food pyramid. Along with nutrition awareness, maintaining hand hygiene is also explained to the community members. The first step in changing habits is awareness. Such campaigns enable the members of the community to begin the shift and encourage them to lead a healthier lifestyle. Breastfeeding rally is being organized in villages to make the mothers aware of the benefits of breast milk. Emphasis is being laid on the first milk of the mother to the child. Breastfeeding exclusively for the first 6 months is also being promoted in the rally. As the community is being educated on breastfeeding, all individuals take part in making the process a pleasant experience for the mother, thus leading to development of a healthy child right from start. Through the program, the mothers are being encouraged to grow their own vegetables in a small kitchen garden in their house or the Anganwadi land or an empty space in the village. The Poshan Mitras are working alongside the villagers in the Poshan Bagicha. They are guiding them every step of the way, from getting the soil ready for sowing to seeds to be sown and care of the plants. The children of the family are also being encouraged to take care of the Poshan Bagicha, which is helping them to build a connect with the vegetables, thus encouraging them to eat healthy. The Poshan Bagichas not only promote food sustainability but also food diversity and helps in generating income for the household. A strategy to fight against malnutrition is sharing of recipes. The program is encouraging the mothers to make food and share the recipes with others in the community. This is enabling them and others to use different ingredients and become aware of different methods of cooking. Power of 5 program was introduced to a larger community by Radio Mewat with its objectives and strategies to fight malnutrition. Experts from the field of medicine and nutrition are being called to address the concerns of the members of the community related to nutrition. With its many campaigns, the Power of 5 program is making a headway and creating a difference in the community.
मैं सविता जिला कार्यक्रम अधिकारी हूँ और यहाँ पे SRF संस्था और MWay इंडिया दोनों मिलकर के बच्चों का कुपोषण दूर करने के लिए काम कर रही हैं। SRF ने 22 गांव चुने हुए हैं और पिछले 1 वर्ष से ये संस्था यहाँ पे काम कर रही है। हमारा विभाग भी कुपोषण को लेके काफ़ी गंभीर है और पूरे देश में पोषण अभियान के तहत कुपोषण मुक्ति का आंदोलन चला हुआ है। इसी तरीके से SRF संस्था भी गर्भवती माताओं को, दूध पिलाने वाली माताओं को, किशोरियों को और अन्य महिलाओं को भी जागरूक करती है कि वो अपने खान पान का कैसे ध्यान रखें, बच्चों के खान पान का कैसे ध्यान रखें, बच्चों को जंक फूड से खाने के लिए कैसे बचाएं और घर में बनी हुई रेसिपी के बारे में भी महिलाओं को बताया जाता है। अगर इसी तरीके से हम ताल में ताल मिला के, कदम से कदम मिला के काम करते रहेंगे तो भविष्य में इसके काफ़ी अच्छे नतीजे होंगे और मुझे आशा है आने वाले दिनों में हमारा जिला कुपोषण मुक्त होगा। धन्यवाद।
The Power of 5 program strives to fight malnutrition one child at a time and making many success stories for healthy children in the community.